Well, here's the cats. I'm going to show you all the new stove. And the cats. Yeah, they like to stay in here where these fires are. They like these fires. I did a good job yesterday fixing this stove top. Look how nice and blue those flames are. But it'll be saved. Oh yeah, I'm going to clean it up. I'm going to put it in my tool room. I have a table and just set it up on a table and, wrap plastic around it. But here's the parts that are to the new stove. Let's see if these can be made out. See, that's the cover, that goes over it. I'm going to show it after, and the things for the burners are all here, 5 burners. And here's the back of it, so I got it propped up in here. And here's the inlet right here. See, it's got thread. That's a piece of a plastic cap they put on that to cover it. Oh, man. See, there's several ways this can be hooked up. Like, here, where you at, baby? See this brass part? Okay, this can be screwed on here, and then the line, see the flexible gas line hook up right there to where this like screws on or whatever. I doubt if I'm going to be needing it though. I really doubt it because the way mine is under here, it's got a regulator that screws onto this part, and then it's got the part that goes to the flexible line. So all I'm going to need to do after I take this one out is, let me think, how am I going to do this? Or no, when I turn off the gas and disconnect the line before I take it out, I'll just unscrew the regulator and come over here and screw the regulator on this from that one. And then that regulator, it has the outer fitting for the flex line. So there you go. Now I heard on these they have a built-in regulator. I think they do. I do think they do. But that one's always worked good, and it's working good now. I'm going to put it back in there. As far as the top of this stove, it's nothing to look at right now because see the parts aren't on it, You see there's the knobs and where the parts will go on top. But that's what we're looking at on that. Okay. Alright. That, and I ordered groceries today. I've got groceries coming. See if I can get one of these out here. Yeah, I've got all the parts. Oh yeah. I like the way they built this because see it sits up here tall, and this is a very strong metal. Oh yeah. I like it. I like it. There we go. Just put that in here somewhere where it won't just be flicked off or whatever. There we go. But that's going to work out. It's going to do it to it. And I already put my foam on here that goes around the edges, see? Right here. It's like rubber foam. See, it sticks on. See, so that sits on your countertop or whatever. But man, we got it going on. Oh man. But, meanwhile, back at the ranch, as they say. But yeah, I'm going to be cleaning this. I'm going to get that underway, taken care of. God, where does that all come from? Jesus. But anyway, that'll be taken care of. As far as outside, it's looking good. you know, and this is my page. I want to show everybody something. Most people, they can't figure this out. Go to my channel if you want to see videos or mechanical repair or Harley Davidson videos. See, you click on, like on my channel, okay, you click on videos right here. See how it shows all of them right here. And you can just scroll down the list. Okay? And also on my channel, the main page, if you scroll down, you'll see all the songs I have down here. See, and there's an arrow to see more of them and stuff like that. Okay, but this is, I got a lot of the cats in the video. I like that. There's Mr. Panther. He's laying here sleeping by me. Yeah, I'm glad me and him are spending time together. You know, actually, everything in this house is okay. It's just, man, whew, I ordered a steam cleaner. I'm going to start steam cleaning this shit, man, and oh my God. But here's another one of the cats and all that good stuff with a cherry on top. But anyway, that's the new stovetop. And, you know, when I have it all sealed off and up here and pretty, I might do it today. Because I could do it right now, but I'll tell you why I'm not doing it right now. It is cold. It is cold. And I am not going to turn those fires off over there and turn my gas off. Not now. Hell, let it warm up because, I mean, there's no rush, you know, why be hasty? I've got those fires going and my floor heater right here. I've got two of these floor heaters, one's short and one's taller like this. Oh man, but anyway, later.